Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you a neat trick with Google Translate in a native Google device and uh, an OEM like a Samsung Galaxy S8. So this is a Google Pixel 2 XL, this is a Samsung Galaxy S8, and I'm going to show you where you can find Google Translate in these two devices and how you can use them. And first off is the Google Pixel 2 XL. So this device is from Google, and as what you can know about Google is they support their devices first, and if you want to have Google Translate without installing any app, you can install the app via the Play Store. You just go to the Play Store and search for Translate. And there you can install the app itself, or you can just use the camera. If you don't have the time to install it and you want to use it right away, just go to the camera, and here you can find the Google Lens, and you can see that Google Lens is going to search whatever it sees on the viewfinder. So at the bottom left side of the screen, you can see this one. So this is a Translate. So this is basically Google supported feature embedded in the Google camera. So you can use this usually with mobile data or Wi-Fi, and you can select which languages you want to translate to, from, and to. So you can select Korean to English or Vietnamese to English, or you can swap them out with many other languages you can use. So all you have to do is to choose the language that you want to translate and click apply, and you point this to the words that you want to translate. So basically a street sign maybe, or a sign. Also, this one is from Vietnamese to Korean. We want Vietnamese to English. Click apply. So it will try. It's not really proven to work 100% correctly, but if you search for some Vietnamese texts, okay, I'm just going through here. Okay, here, right here. So example, you want to know what this is. So this is typically very hard for us to understand, but if you use the Google Translate, okay, you can somehow get the gist of it. If you are Vietnamese right now watching this video, you know that some of these are not entirely correct, but it works for street signs and whatnot. So this is just a part of the Google Translate feature. In the Galaxy S8, we installed the Google Translate app right from the Play Store. The same process. Go to the Play Store, search for Translate, and install the app yourself. So Google Translate, we can open this one, and in this you have the option to use the camera that we showed you with the Android device. This is the Google Pixel. You can also use handwriting if you are using Samsung Galaxy Note with the pen, the S Pen. You can also use this conversation feature or the voice. So in the voice, you can record something. You allow it to access your microphone, and then you talk. So when you activate the voice, you talk something, and it will translate it to English. So what if I say I want to translate English to Vietnamese? Okay, so voice. What is your name? So you can show this to someone you want to have a conversation with.
Tên của bạn là gì?
Okay, so if you are Vietnamese right now, you can check that if it's correct, entirely correct, but we all know that Google Translate can't really translate everything correctly. And you can use the camera the same way we use the feature in with the Google Pixel 2 XL. You can scan things. You can have the instant. I always use instant for translating quickly, and handwriting not so much. You can write something here. Okay, yeah, so it's not really that quick, but it is useful when you write a document or you want to have something handwritten. Conversation, obviously you want to have something to talk to.
Rõ ràng là muốn có một cái gì đó.
Okay, so you tap on this if you want to say something. Obviously I'm alone in this studio, so I don't have anyone to have a conversation with. So you get the gist. This is how you instantly access Google Translate in an Android device. This is how you use Google Translate in an OEM device with Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, whatever smartphone you have. And in Google device, obviously it is embedded in the camera, but it's just a portion of the feature that you get. It's not entirely Google Translate, but a part of the Google Translate. So this is the Google Translate with the camera. With the proper app, you have all the features that you want with the history of the translated words that you have done in the past. So hope this is useful for you in your travels, obviously, in when you do business online, that you want to translate something for your client or for your boss, you can do that. So hope this is useful for you guys. Click like and subscribe, and till next time, cheers.